I think one of the big misconceptions people have is when they have a concealed weapons license and they're carrying that firearm that they're invincible. And and just because they go to the range and they're standing there in their lane and they're shooting their paper target that's, whatever, 20 feet away, whatever it's going to be, they're calm, they're comfortable, and in a relaxed environment, shooting a stationary target as they're stationary, that's good enough to stop the attacker when they're coming in, when they're doing the home invasion, when they're breaking into their house, while they're attacking you while you're at the convenience store, while you're getting into your car, you're in the parking lot, whatever it is. People don't know their equipment. They're carrying a gun. They don't know how they're carrying it. They're carrying it in a bag and one of these gimmick holsters that you see online all the time or at these gun shows. They carry that and they think it's the best thing in the world, but then when the situation happens, they can't get to their equipment, their gun, quick enough. People have to have the mindset. They got to think about what they're going to do and how they're going to react before it actually happens. Because if you're thinking about it when it happens, you're lost. That's why we came up with a situational awareness and scenario training workshop to go over these things with people, to open their eyes, to give you the ideas and the mindset that you need to survive a life-threatening situation. What to do when you're being attacked, what to do during a home invasion, things to think about, how to have everything set up beforehand, how to be prepared for situations like this. Let's face it, we need to prepare for the worst and pray for the best. During our situational awareness and scenario training workshops, you're going to be going through scenarios, demonstrations, where there's going to be actors, portrayers, and you're going to be standing there, whether it be a carjacking, standing in line at a convenience store, and something happens. The instructors aren't going to tell you what's going on. They want to see how you react to these situations. Then they're going to show you what may have been the best way to react. As I tell people routinely in our classes, your job is to go home at night with your families. And that's what we're trying to help you to do. The Situational Awareness and Scenario Training Workshop is happening right here on Sunday, May 6th. Sign up today. Sign the friend up today. Sign the loved one up today. You'd be surprised of what you're actually going to learn in this. Just read some of the reviews and how people are talking about this class online. Our next training workshop is going to be on Sunday, May 6th. The cost for this is $80. It's a nominal fee. We want you to bring your gun, your holsters, how you're carrying the gun on a daily basis.